Hi, fantastic fourth graders. This is Eureka Math, Module 1, Lesson 5 with Mrs. Fuska. Today, our learning target is I can compare multi-digit numbers by using the following symbols: greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, so we want to find the number with the greater value. So we're going to first start out by comparing these two numbers, and we're going to put them in the place value chart. I'll put one number in the purple section and one number in the cream section, and then we'll compare them. Okay, to compare these, we want to start with the greatest value, and both of our values of 100,000s, both have 5. Okay, now we're going to compare the 10,000s, and I have 2 here and just 1 here, so I know that this number up at the top is greater. So I'm going to put the greater side, opening side of the alligator, we can think about the mouth as eating the biggest piece here, towards the number 520,347. Okay, this one is on your homework, number 1A. So I'm going to put it in the place value chart, and we're going to compare the two numbers. Okay, the one number has 6 digits and one number has 5 digits. So if I start over here with my greatest value, I have 900,000 and I don't have any here. So I know that this number at the top is greater. So I'm going to put the greater opening to the 909,013 is greater than 90,013. Okay, now we're going to compare numbers using the different number forms. Remember we talked about that? We have unit form, word form, expanded form, and standard form. So we're going to use some of these to compare numbers. Okay, so like these two numbers, we have expanded form first, and then we have standard form. I can still put this into my place value chart. So I have 700,000, so I'm going to have 7, and then I have 30,000, so I'm going to put my 3 there, and then I have 28, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put 28, and so I'm going to put a 0 to hold my place there, and then I'm going to put this number 735,000. I'm going to put a little thousand mark there, 1,008. Okay, so if I'm looking here, my 7s are the same, my 3s are the same, and then I look right here and I have 5,000 and 0,000. So I know that this one at the bottom is going to be my greater number. So even with expanded form, or I could even write it down here, I have 730,028, and then I can compare the standard form. Okay, this is the last one I'm going to compare with you, and then you'll do your homework. This is actually on your homework page, number 2C. If you're having trouble with this, please email me and let me know so I'll know how to help you. Like, oh, I'm having trouble with this one. Can you help me? So I'm going to put these numbers in my place value chart. Down here I have 300,000, so I'm going to put 3 in my 100,000s. I have 3,000s. Ooh, I don't have any 10,000s. I'm at the 3,000. I have 800, and I have 4 10s, but I'm going to put my zeros in here to hold my place value. And then over here, I have 303,000, 840. Okay, remember we're going to start at our greatest value, which is 100,000. I have 2 3s. That's the same. This is the same. Ooh, my thousands are the same. My hundreds are the same. My 10s are the same, and these are equal. Okay, so take your time, really do your best, and if you're having trouble, let me know. Okay, complete your blue homework sheets and bring them to class, and we will go over them tomorrow.